Base Scrum Team App. The pros, the cons. If your team needs a simple yet powerful Scrum to manage leads and customer relationships, Base Scrum Team App might seem like the ideal solution. But does it live up to expectations? Let's explore. On the positive side, Base Scrum offers lead management, contact tracking, and sales automation in a user-friendly interface. Its standout feature is pipeline visibility, allowing teams to see deals at every stage and prioritize follow-ups effectively. Many companies report faster lead conversion, better team collaboration, and improved accountability thanks to task assignment and activity tracking features. Another advantage is mobile accessibility, enabling teams to update records and communicate on the go. However, there are drawbacks. Pricing can add up for larger teams, and some users find advanced reporting and customization options limited compared to enterprise Scrums. Another limitation is that Base Scrum focuses heavily on sales processes, so businesses requiring extensive marketing automation or complex analytics may need additional tools. Most people get this wrong. They assume all Scrums work the same. The surprising truth is that choosing a Scrum that fits your team's workflow and adoption style matters more than feature count. In conclusion, Base Scrum Team App is a solid choice for businesses looking to streamline sales processes, track leads, and improve team collaboration. It provides clear pipeline visibility, task management, and mobile access. But to get the best results, teams need process alignment and consistent usage. For sales-focused teams ready to simplify Scrum, Base can be a highly effective tool.